So, what's up, wonderful world of YouTube? This is Rocco, the Retro Repairman, coming at you with another video. Feeling a little under the weather today. Got a head cold. Been fighting it for a couple days. It is not COVID, so don't spread the rumors. I'm not dying. Just don't feel like doing much. Besides opening some sealed Star Wars stuff to trigger a collector. I like this one. This one's going on my shelf. I don't know if I'm going to give this to my son and he'll chew on Darth Maul's saber. We'll see. But on to the unboxing we go. It looks pretty water damaged. I got these free from a friend. So I thought it would be cool. We use my leg to pull them out. I hope I'm not giving anyone motion sickness with my poor camera holding skills. I think this... Oh, okay. You open up this little information sheet. Oh, wait, it's not an information sheet. It's got the twist ties on them. You know, I bet you eBay is such a volatile place. If you said these twist ties came to this action figure and you put them on eBay for $2 in a bag, someone would buy them. So, wow, they really secured the hell out of this guy. We're going to be here for a minute. And I don't do that fast forwarding thing. If I would have known this, I would have brought the wire clippers. This is when he was in the swamp, I think, and he was doing the backflips and learning how to use his Jedi powers to levitate things and stuff, if I recall correctly. So, what did they do? Did their hands get tired and they passed it to another person down the line who's left-handed, because this one's twisted in the opposite direction. Oh, this is horrible. This is really horrible. It's horrible. You guys are gonna have to painfully watch this poor quality video. Oh my goodness. Heaven forbid I had arthritis. I don't know. Oh, hold on. There's still two more left. Jeez Louise. Oh my goodness. Damn. I think I'm getting carpal tunnel from this. This is like solid 2 minutes, one-handed to do. Wow, this guy definitely had way too much time on his hands. Little pig from the factory. Alright. Oh my goodness, I think he's free. Let's see, we got one leg free, another leg free. Let's take that off his neck. Where else could you be secured from? Sorry, I'm really sorry, guys. Okay. Okay. Pretty cool. His legs are jointed, so you can like make him kneel. Yoda can come out, and then there's a strap to secure him in your basket. Luke's hand turns, obviously. Still pretty cool. I don't know if that's mold or if it's supposed to look weathered. I haven't smelled it. And here's Darth Maul. I bet you these all take those tiny little button batteries that are a pain in the butt. So this one has the same thing, I'm presuming, to open. Nope. You had to just slide him out of it. This is definitely water damaged. Ew. Oh man, yeah, he's bad. Yeah, look at that. The battery screw. I bet you those terminals are corroded with those batteries in it. This one's got those braces across them. So does that mean that this one was taken out of the package and those weren't put back? No one will know. Goodness gracious. Well, yeah, I'm pretty sure that this one wasn't done. The other one may have been opened. My hand's getting tired. This is tiring. Man, I wish I had my kids here. They would love to open this for me. Especially my daughter. She's really good at being my assistant. I'm missing my kids. They're with their mother right now. Anywho, as we keep removing more of these carpal tunnel twists. Oh my goodness. I hope I triggered someone, probably more with the video quality than the damn unboxing at this point, but this is going to be probably one of the most trolled videos I've done in a while. Definitely going to be some hater vision, for sure. Goodness gracious. Really did a number on this. There's still more. Oh my god. I don't think the Queen's Crown Jewels are this secure. My goodness. This is something. Alright, I think... Are you kidding me? Yo, was this a hot Christmas item? Yo, they zip-tied belly slung him on there. I need the clippers for this. That's crazy. I should have just got the clippers. I'm sorry again, guys. We'll use these. These shall do. Again, I'm sorry. Alright, back again. So snip. Ugh. Trying to do that one-handed. It's not too easy. So again, try to get under that because it's curved, you see? Alright, so Darth Maul should be free now. Oh, how is he still in there? This is ruthless. God, man. I'd hate to be a parent and have to open all this riffraff. This is nutso. Is this really necessary? Yeah, let's see if we get him undone now. They should have watched the movie or something like that. What is this? What is this? Are you kidding me? Still secured. Screw this package. What is this? Yo, they have like this tether line to them. What the hell is that? Screw this. This is something. Careful to not clip Mr. Maul. Darth Maul. Get it straight. Nerd. Oh my goodness. This is not easy. Dude. You figured they were caught by the rebels. And they secured them in this box. This is nuts. Like he's straight restrained. This poor guy. My goodness. Is that necessary? I think Boba Fett arrested him. Oh no, how long was it off camera? Well, anyways, he looks really jacked up. It looks like he just came out of he just got a bowl of soup from the soup kitchen. And he looks pretty jacked up, guys. I'll definitely follow my Facebook page, Rock with a Retro Repairman, for updates on this guy and see if we get him going. I'll clean the battery terminals. Well, thank you for bearing with this extremely, very, very poor quality camera job. I hope you all have a great night, and I shall talk with you later.